Hello, welcome to this week's virtual guide. I'm going to give you some suggestions for this week. You're going to be receiving these little monkeys with a hole on the top. Let's see if you can see the hole. This hole is useful for the children to practice lacing, which is good for your fine motor skills. And you're going to receive some pipe cleaners, which you can allow your child to put it through the hole and then put it through the other hole. You're welcome to make more holes. That's fine. That's perfect. Don't forget to allow them to try to figure out the problem. Let's try to refrain a little bit from jumping in right away to fix it for them. They could do it very easily depending on their age, or it could be a little bit difficult. Now, if you see he's starting to get frustrated, then go ahead and help them out. Let's color the monkeys. Look at this monkey, all the curves that it has. So if your child is probably around 2 years old, just allow them to color, practice color. Color is a key to develop the pre-writing skills. So it's very important for them to color. They're going to start like that. If they're between 3.5, 4, then encourage them to color inside and maybe change colors, maybe do the belly yellow and then red on the outside. Or you can just tell them to trace the monkey. Look at all these curves that this monkey has. Looks like an S, looks like a C. So just encourage them to trace the monkey, whatever it is. So if you have all your monkeys with different colors, you review your colors. You can finish or before, however it works out. You're probably going to color first. Then your child can do all this lacing. Right now we have all the monkeys. And now we can put them on the branch of the tree. This is a straw, but it's supposed to be for we're just gonna use it as the branch of the tree, but it's a real straw, like you can just keep it in. You can drink out of it. So then we can do this, just attach it to the sides. It's just a little invention of mine. It's nothing like professional. So you will probably even do a better branch than me. This is just to make the monkeys jump and hang from the tree. So we tell the child, look, the monkeys are hanging from the tree. How many monkeys? They can count them. And then we can use this straw. This is a prop to help them read the book, right? So we can read the book. So then when we're reading, let's see where the monkeys are, and the crocodile snaps. This is gonna snap. So when it snaps, you can use it as the monkeys. Oh, you can allow them to jump, snap. Careful, it's gonna catch the monkey, snap. So maybe like that, it might help them to keep their attention as they're jumping through the whole book. That's a little activity. You can do, as I always say, anything that comes to mind. You're gonna receive this one too. This one depends also on your child's age. If they're young, 2 years old, you can just have them match the colors and just like, let's do red here. They're learning boundaries, right? It's going to be important for writing boundaries. Just match the color. Let's color here or just, whatever they're doing. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle. If your child's a little older, 3.5, 4, then we can start encouraging them to do the lines, short lines. These ones are sleepy lines. These ones are across. Start 1 point. You can say start, stop, start, stop. So they start learning where to stop. And then this one is standing lines, start, stop, right? They're learning boundaries. It's very important, boundaries. So you can then use the colors to match it, right? Use it all brown or use it all green, and then continue like that. You can help them by writing down the dots for them, because it might be too much. I make the big dot just to focus their eye that there's a starting point and then there's a stop. But it's good for you to start telling them start, stop, start, stop. Help them by putting the dots, triangles, squares, circles. Like I said, depending on where your child is, right? And see how that goes. You can let me know how it went. Tell me, it was Catherine, it was too advanced. What's wrong with you? My child is still a baby. Or tell me, My child nailed it. Send something harder. Okay, so that's those two. And then the other one you're gonna get is, let's see, this one. And this is a helicopter. Same story. You can color it, you can cut it, you can have them trace it and go by the numbers at the same time. And you can also make a story with it. Don't forget, you can relate the sheets to your books. You can you don't have to limit yourself to what the book says. You can say, oh look, maybe the helicopter is coming to see where the monkeys are. Practicing other sounds. Oh, let's see where the monkeys. Maybe the monkeys are gonna jump. Maybe they want to jump on the helicopter. They want to jump on the helicopter. Look, they jumped there. Now there's a monkey there. So you can ask them what they think the helicopter is doing. Where is the helicopter? Is the helicopter going to land on the water? Is it going to stay in the sky? What is this? Always ask them, what is it? Where is it? How come? What do you think? Give them time to think about it. Pause, listen to them, or just speak to them so they can learn the words, finish the sentences. Okay, so have fun.